Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error, that is 0x80240023. So if you are receiving this error message while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to download and install the validation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. Now it will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Now over here in the search box, you have to go ahead and type in Microsoft Office File Validation Add-in. So type this in search box and then click on search. Then click on download. Now click on download link over here. Now once the file is downloaded, you can go to the download location. So click on this up arrow and then click on show in folder, and this will take you to the download location. Make a right click and then click on extract here. And once the extraction is complete, here you can see OFV exe file. So you have to go ahead and make a right click and then click on install. And once the installation is done, you can go to the Windows 10 settings and then you can go to update and security and then click on check for update, or you can click on try again and update your Windows 10. Now in case once you click on this file, if this is not downloading, in that case you can make a right click on this hyperlink and then click on save link as, and then you can select the download location and then click on save, and then over here you can see the discard option and click on this up arrow and then click on keep, and this will download the file. Now again go to the download location, show in folder, and then you can extract it the same way. Make a right click and then click on extract here, and then you can run this OFV exe file, and once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and go to the Windows 10 settings and you can try to update your Windows 10 once again. That should go ahead and fix the problem. Now in case still you are facing the problem, you can go ahead and start Windows Update Services. So go ahead and type in services in Windows search box and then click on services app. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, and here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic. Then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK, and with Windows Update selected, click on restart the service. And also make sure that you run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, open Windows 10 settings, go to the start menu and then click on settings icon and then go to click on update and security, then click on troubleshoot, go to additional troubleshooter, click on Windows Update and then click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website, and over here you can see media creation tool. So click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen, agree to the terms. So click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time, so let the download complete, and before installation you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default this is by default. So by default keep personal files and app would be selected. Now when this is selected, you will not lose any data on the computer, and this is checked by default. So do not make any changes. Make sure that this is checked and you will not lose any data on the computer, and then you can click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and your Windows will be up to date. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of this error, and your Windows will be up to date. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.